all the coding sitting in a dark room, the offices where you sit in booths and you see on the telly people answering phones, sitting in booths, not talking to each other. Throw that out the window.
Tech is everywhere, even if we think as females we're allergic to it.
This is the exciting world of tech.
Data is driving everything, and you don't need to be a coder to be able to read data.
Only 17% of people who work in tech are women.
Why are we not going out into the industry, designing things that suit us, that are more inclusive?
Good news for you, good news for my daughters is, if you are looking for a career when you're older, you would do well to get into tech, because all of the big companies are saying, what are we going to do to attract more females into our tech business? It's interesting and it pays well, and guess what? There's people out there that want you to get into tech.
Technology is limitless.
The students really enjoy themselves today. Being in an environment where they're outside the school, they're in a work environment, and they're seeing that people work hard, that they enjoy work. I think that's been a great day for them, one they'll remember for quite some time.
They're told you need to do this, you need to do that, and coming here today makes me feel a bit more relaxed, and I understand a bit more, like with the LinkedIn profile, I feel a bit more calmer, and like there's opportunities out there. We're not just stuck in a box, and we can do stuff with our lives and live how we want and explore and not feel so claustrophobic. We should be inspired to do what we can and do it, because we are capable.
I thought it was really helpful actually. Before this I've never really considered a career in like tech, like the whole tech industry. But yeah, just seeing like the wide variety and how it's not just like coding, there's a lot more to it, it definitely makes me think more about it.
I never would have considered doing tech before, but now it feels more appealing to me now. The sessions today and listening to people who are involved in tech have helped me know about it more instead of just reading it. It's a lot more fun and interactive, and I connected to it much more than I would have if I read about it.